just be like a summer retreat. You don't have to live there.
Okay, we're gonna try this. Maybe.
I'm just saying it's a nice spot. Where's the remote? And I mean, you and me.
I guess you're laying on it. Or something. No, I don't want to do any of that. How do I do the chat? Are you kidding me? Oh. No, I'm still live. Okay. I don't have chat. Why don't I have chat? I'm going to rotate my camera real quick. So, sorry about, I don't know how to read my chat, though. Sorry for the bouncing around. I can't see the chat or anything. Sorry about that, guys. I apologize. I have no idea. Wait a minute. What is that? I'm rotating again. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to figure this out. I just found out that I can go live on my phone, so... Thank you, whoever's here. I can't see who's here, so I'm not sure how I can do that.
Like that. And it should.
There nothing, it's just me.
Let's lower the
It
screen.
says that I have 2 people and 3 people now, and 1 thumbs up.
Well, there you go. At least you got.
Yeah, but I can't see anybody who's talking to me or anything, which is really... This is not what I wanted. I want to be able to see who's here.
Minimize your screen.
I don't know how to do that on my phone.
You press the tab or the
Oh, wait a minute. Nope. Oh, I apologize, guys. I don't want to stop it. Oh, it has a thing for messages. Maybe that's it. Save highlight.